Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Excitech BIM 360 surgery. Today it's number 25, and I'm going to take a little look at some of the recent updates to the design collaboration module. So about just over a week ago, Autodesk launched a new feature in design collaboration, which is the ability to now add in documents into the package controls. So I'm in my usual BIM 360 project. I'm going to jump straight into design collaboration, and I'm going to show you the new feature and how it works. So we jump in, it's loading in the teams. I've got some preloaded teams already in my project, so I select the swim lanes and you can see that I've got some teams. Now if I, let's say, click into the engineering team, and you will see I've got a plus sign over on the right hand side of the swim lane. So if I want to add a package, I can click the plus sign and it goes into the package creation screen. Now you will notice something new on the left hand side. So we've got some new categories now added to the content browser, and in particular we have it documents. So if we expand it, you will see that there's no documents currently added, but I've got this add documents panel. So once I click it, what it's doing is it's looking to the team folder within the BIM 360 document environment. So if there's documents added, you will then be able to select them. So let's jump into docs and add in some documents. So the process is the same as adding any file into 360. We just need to navigate to the team folder. You can see I've got my team set in a work in progress environment. I've got an engineering folder, and this in actual fact is the team folder that I was using for Revit, where it's already got a consumed folder. So what I can do is simply upload files, or I can browse and let's drag and drop. So I've got some files already done, so I'm just going to, let's click into my marketing folder, BIM 360, and I've got some files in my surgery folder. So I can simply just drag and drop and just let them pop into that folder. So they'll just process on the right hand side. It'll take a little second or two. So once we add the documents in here, you can see they're all uploaded. We can then switch back into design collaboration, and we can now look at what we can do with these files. So if I click my swim lanes again, and let's say I want to add a new package of content, so I can click add. And now when I go in, so I'm going to change this, I'm going to go new included documents as the set name, and then under the document section I can select the arrow drop down, add documents. You will see then instead of having no documents, the team folder is now available, and when I expand it you will then see the documents that I've added. So I can simply select the 4. You will see that as you're clicking them it counts, and we can simply add them into the package. So we click add, and you will see they then appear under the drop down. So what you also have, even at this stage, you can see the documents are hyperlinked. So I can click in to the document and I can review it even as I'm creating the package, and certainly you can see that it will jump straight in and it will load that document. So just give it a second or two and it will start to show the PowerPoint file that I have added. You've also got extra controls within the package that you can remove a document. So if I want to remove that Excel file, you can see it's a simple case of clicking the X. If I want to re-add it back in, you then just browse and then add again. So once we've got the package correct, you can see that I include documents. I can also do the same if I want to include the model, and I can choose any existing sets that may exist, but I'm just going to go, this is the new included documents. It's got one model and it's got these 4 files. If I click save, that's now going to save the package. You will see we can then share it, and you can add in extra contents just correct the spelling. So you can see now we've got the new included documents, additional documents now included. And then we can link it to an existing set or not, but I'm just going to click share. And now we can now share the additional documents that is part of the set. When we actually explore the package, you will see then the package content. You've got a model and you've got the numbers at the top. If we click into documents, you can then see that the documents have now been shared with everyone in the project. We can click in and we can now start to explore and review the information that's now been sent with that package. So you can then go in and explore, and you can see the same principle where we've got our documents and they're now all included. So I think this is a really nice new feature that is going to help the collaboration and sharing of information, particularly specifications that need to go with this. And then you can click in, view wherever you need to view. So pretty simple. The only things that we need to remember is the documents need to be added in to document management into the team folder where the space that you're allowed to work in. So in this instance I had them in under my engineering folder, and my documents were popped in here. You then click in to design collaboration, create a set, and then pick and choose the documents that are included as part of that set. So if we click in here, there's the new documents, and there they all are added. So when you share that with the team, the other members can go in, click on the node, and then consume that content down into their consumed folder. So that's pretty much it for today. A nice, quick and easy one. Join me again next Friday where I will do another 360 surgery on some new and exciting features in BIM 360. So thank you very much. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you all next week.